Hello everyone, here Emmanuel and Sarah here. So Emmanuel and I have been integrating AI tools like GitHub Copilot, Tray, ChatGPT and Debug, the tools that Emmanuel just talked about in the previous videos. And we've been using these tools so much because we are into software development and these tools are really essential and they help us to be productive. What do you think about it, Nancy?
Well, it's been a game changer, and it's not magic. It's just about taking AI as your friend and flow with it, talk with it, relate with it. Just the same way we're talking. And that's what we call prompt engineering.
Absolutely, that's really true because that is prompt engineering. I hope you go back to that video to understand what prompt engineering is all about if you do not watch the video. But our biggest lesson throughout has been that you have to be very specific when you're dealing with these AI tools, not generic. Don't ask generic questions. Mazi talked about hallucinations and everything. So with AI tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, if you just ask generic questions, you get generic answers. And most of the times, the answers that you get do not make sense and will not help you in the way you really want. So anyone I'd say, write a function, a logic, or login function, something like that. And the result will be basic because it's just like login function. What's the login function about? Yeah, that is it.
Just like the example you gave now, that is a very lame prompt. If I want to do a secure prompt engineering of that prompt, write a login Python function with email validation, password hashing. Just guide it. Flow with your chatbots.
Otherwise, you'll get a code that is, I don't know, you'll get all the data leakage issues and everything because someone can easily hack your code. So basically, it's like you're giving clear requirements to a general developer, like someone who does not know much, but you want to give them a guide, like this is how you're supposed to do everything. So the more the context and the constraints you provide to the AI tools, the better the output. So what do you think are some of the key strategies that would have really worked with us?
The first I would say is step-by-step prompting of your AI in a well-defined manner. And the second important key is iteration. And what do I mean by iteration? When you prompt engineer your chatbot the first time and you get something nice, iterate it again, repeat, give it another well-defined, improved prompt, and you see the results will keep getting better. So those are just the key points. The first one is step-by-step, well-defined prompt, and the second one, iteration, and you repeat that circle. And
it works.
You love it.
It will work for you like so many times. That's really true. So we've said don't be generic in the prompting. Make sure that you're very specific with the questions or whatever prompts that you're giving to the AI. So the second strategy would be giving a pattern to flow. Like the AI, you have to give it a pattern. Don't just go all over. So it's like you've started a conversation, just like you're having a conversation with a friend. Keep it. So if you give it a pattern, it will refer back to the previous chat, like, okay, we talked about this, now let's go to the second part. If you're having some errors with your code, let's say you gave you a code and then you have some issues, you've given it a pattern, like, okay, this code, remember it's about this and that, and you go down like that. Otherwise, you have so much issues using these AI tools.
Thank you very much.
I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you.
Thank you.